So assuming only that log 2 to base 10 is this, log 3 to base 10 is this, and log 7 to base 10 is this. Evaluate each of these. The first one we have log 8 to base 10, which you can write as log 2 to the power of 3 to base 10, which is 3 log 2 to base 10. That is 3 multiplied by 0. Log 2 is 0.3010, which is 0.9030. That is A. For B, we have log 81 to base 10. 81 we can write that as 3 to the power of 4, then to base 10, which is 4 log 3 to base 10. That is 4 multiplied by log 3 to base 10 is 0.4771. 4771. And 4 multiplied by 0.4771 is 1.9084. 1.9084. And for question C, we have log 8.1 to base 10, which you can write as log 8.1 to base 10 is 81 over 10 to base 10, which is log 81 to base 10 minus log 10 to base 10. 81 to base 10 is log 3 to the power of 4 to base 10, then minus log 10 to base 10. This will be 4 log 3 to base 10 minus 1. Log 10 to base 10 is 1, which is 4 times log 3 to base 10, which is 0.4771, and minus 1, 0.4771 minus times 4 rather is already here, which is 1.9084, then minus 1. That will be 0.9084. That is question C. Now for question D. D we have log 40 to base 10, which I can write as log 4 times 10 to base 10. And that will be log 4 to base 10 plus log 10 to base 10. Now 4 to base 10, we can write as log 2 to power 2 to base 10 plus log 10 to base 10. 2 to power 2 to base 10 is 2 log 2 to base 10 and plus excuse me, log 10 to base 10, which is 2 multiplied by 2 to base 2 is right here as 0.3010, then plus 1, 2 multiplied by this 0.6020 plus 1, which is 1.6020. And then question E. For E we have log 21. We can write this as 3 times 7 to base 10, which is log 3 to base 10 plus log 7 to base 10. That will be log 3 to base 10 is 0.4771, and log 7 to base 10 is 0.8451. Let's add up these numbers together. 0.4771 plus 0.8451. is 1.3222. 3222. Then question F, we have log square root of 60, 60 not 10 square root of 60 to base 10, which you can write as log 60 to the power of half to base 10, which you can write as half log 60 to base 10. Now, in 60 to base 10, we can write that as 6 times 10. So we have half multiplied by log 6 times 10 to base 10. Now I put this half outside this bracket because it's going to multiply everything here. And then will be half bracket log 6 to base 10 plus log 10 to base 10, which is half multiplied by log 6 to base 10. 6 to base 10 is not given here. That means we still need to work on that. I'll have log 2 times 3 to base 10, then plus log 10 to base 10, which is half multiplied by log 2 to base 10 plus log 3 to base 10 plus log 10 to base 10. And that will be half multiplied by log 2 to base 10 is right here, 0.3010 plus log 3 to base 10 is 0.4771 plus log 10 to base 10 is 1. So adding all of this together, we have then divided by half, divided by 2 rather, is 0.8891 approximately.